Starting a small business as a retiree is something that highly benefits you in the long run. It keeps you active, as well as lets you experience more in life and make more money that you can use for further endeavors. Here are some ideas for beginning your future small business. Number 1. Tutoring. Tutoring is a great way to start your small business. If you are skilled at a certain subject, you can begin providing lessons to kids who struggle with that subject. Another is tutoring small children who are struggling academically. This small business concept is fantastic since there will always be a steady supply of customers. So if you're someone who loves to teach kids, then this may be the small business for you. Number 2. Arts and crafts. If you like painting, producing art, and other creative efforts, starting a small arts crafts business might be for you. You can use this to make paintings, drawings, and sculptures, which you can then sell for a profit. You can also take on commissions like designing artwork for customers, apparel, and a variety of other things. Number 3. Photography. A lot of people nowadays like taking photos/videos or having their photographs taken, so if you have editing skills as well as photographic skills and a camera, this might be the ideal business to start. You can provide photography or videography services for weddings, debuts, parties, and other special occasions, as well as a number of editing options. Furthermore, you can provide photography courses, which will bring you extra earnings as well as possible people to assist you in your photographic sessions. This is really great as it allows you to explore more of the world and meet more people. Number 4. Homemade goods. Many people love buying homemade goods, such as food, seasonings, and more. If you love making homemade goods at home such as food and other products, you can sell them and start a small business with it. Number 5. Gardening services. A place's landscape is something that most people will notice. A lot of people want to make their home or business more beautiful through some simple gardening and landscape. So if you have the passion for gardening and decorating the outdoors, then this could be a good small business option for you. Number 6. Caretaking services. Many people enjoy going out, so they will leave their children or pets at home to have time for themselves. They will need to search for babysitters to look after their children or pets while they are gone. If you're a retiree who enjoys caring for pets or children, this might be the best small business for you. Number 7. Online store. People nowadays like shopping online, especially with the availability of several apps that allow them to buy things online. You can start by buying in bulk and reselling them online through Facebook or other social media platform and e-commerce sites for a profit. You can start by selling tiny products that are appealing to others, such as bracelets, necklaces, shirts, and more, and then proceed to larger items, such as selling shoes, bags, and others. If you love selling things, then this might be the best small business for you. Number 8. Service provider. Another great business idea in today's world is to provide people with services such as help, cleaning automobiles, residences, cooking, and writing. You may also utilize this to offer services such as shopping for someone, purchasing supplies, or delivering stuff somewhere. Having a service-based business is a fantastic one to start since some people don't have time to do certain things, and are too busy in their life, making this highly profitable but entertaining if you're passionate about it. So if you're a retiree that loves to clean and do many other things, then this might be the best small business for you. Number 9. Consulting services. As a retiree, you are certain to have a plethora of experiences and information that may be of great support and help to those who are just beginning out in life. You can become a mentor, instructor, or a guru for your specific areas of expertise. If you enjoy sharing your personal experiences and knowledge, this could be a great small business to start. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support our channel. See you soon.